In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to open your project. So you want to go to Adobe Express and click on whichever project you want. I'm going to choose this one over here, which is just like a cute little coloring book. And then from here, you want to go to the left and you want to hover over add component and you want to click on media. Now this is going to work for any project, of course, but then up top here, by default, you're going to be on the all section. You want to switch over to where it says music over here. Now when you go to music, you can just click on this record voiceover button over here and it's going to allow you to add a voiceover. So I'm going to click on record voiceover and I'm also going to click on allow to actually allow my microphone. And as you can see, when I hit this start recording over here, it's going to start the recording after this countdown. So right now it's actually picking up my audio, as you can see here, and you're going to be given the direct time of your current recording. So I'm just, of course, yapping over the mic right now, explaining what I'm doing, and I'm just going to hit this finish recording button over here. And as you can see, it's going to basically start kind of enhancing speech if you have turned on or enabled that feature, which I did because I didn't turn it off. It was on by default. And here you'll see, of course, you have the volume, which you can change as well. You have the fades if you want to add a in, out, or in and out fades. You can also do this over here. And yeah, you'll then be able to kind of see and edit your voiceover whenever this enhanced speech is processed. Okay, so the processing has now finished, and as you can see, if I click on this edit timeline here at the bottom, it's going to actually pop up, of course, my content, so the media I have in here, as well as my voiceover here at the bottom. And if I click on it, you can see I can go through the audio, and of course, I'll be able to play it as well. So if I go to the beginning, I'm just gonna hit the play button. Right now, it's actually picking up my audio, as you can see here. Okay, so as you can of course hear, the voiceover has been recorded and added onto my content here at the bottom inside this kind of audio or voiceover row, okay? So that's how to do this, how to add a voiceover in Adobe Express. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.